Voucher. So, as we all know, it is a document which has the details of the financial transaction. So, here these transactions, all the financial transactions must be accompanied with a source document which acts as the proof for the transactions, right? And here in Tally, we have certain predefined vouchers such as like purchase, sales, payment, receipt, and contra. So these five predefined vouchers are inbuilt in the Tally software itself. So if we have to view these voucher types, then click on the Gateway of Tally Masters Accounts Info Voucher Types display. Okay, if any company needs few more or additional voucher types, in that case the voucher types can also be created. So instead of display we will click on create. Okay, so also the major accounting vouchers whatever is being used in organizations are receipt voucher, payment voucher, contra voucher, purchase, sales, and journal voucher. Okay, so let's see each and every topic now. Receipt voucher. So receipt, the word itself says, right? So whenever any transaction involves receiving of cash or receiving an amount through the bank, in that case that will be entered in the receipt voucher. Okay, so in this voucher either cash or bank account is being debited and the opposite ledger account is being credited. To record this receipt, Gateway of Tally transactions accounting vouchers F6 feature is to be used for receipts. The next one is payment voucher. So the name itself again says that it is payment. So whenever we make any payment either in cash or even through the bank, those transactions are recorded in the payment voucher. Again, in this voucher cash or bank account is being credited because we pay cash, and the other ledger whatever whichever ledger is in the opposite side, that account is to be debited. So to record the payment, Gateway of Tally transactions accounting vouchers F5 feature must be used for entering in the payment voucher. Third one is contra voucher. Contra, I hope you all remember what is contra. We already have done this when you were in 11th standard itself. Okay, contra means opposite, which means in a transaction both cash and bank account are involved. So those type of transactions are called as contra transactions or contra vouchers. Okay, so here when we withdraw any cash, when we pay any amount into the bank, or that is what paid into bank, or withdrawal of cash, deposits into bank, so all these are contra entries. If we come across any of the contra entries like this, then in the contra voucher we have to enter this type of transaction. So for that, Gateway of Tally transactions accounting vouchers feature F4 should be done here for contra vouchers. The fourth one is purchase voucher. So whenever we make any purchases, those transactions may be in cash or on credit. Both type of purchase transactions must be entered in the purchase voucher. So for that we'll use Gateway of Tally transactions accounting vouchers. F9 is the feature for your purchase voucher. The next is sales voucher. Again here we will record both cash and the credit transactions of the organization. So in such case we'll record our sales in the sales voucher, that is Gateway of Tally transactions accounting vouchers F8 feature is being used for sales voucher. The next is journal voucher. So journal vouchers are like which involve the transaction involving like other than cash or bank or purchases or sales. Maybe it can be like of depreciation or any provision, a reserve. So all those will be entered in the journal voucher. For this, we'll use Gateway of Tally Transactions Accounting Voucher F7 feature for entering in the journal voucher. Okay, so to record the transactions using these vouchers, if any other vouchers are to be created, those also can be created. That is, these five are inbuilt, which means it is predefined voucher. That is, purchase voucher, sales voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher, and contra voucher. These five are predefined vouchers. If we have to create, we can even create the accounting vouchers. Okay, and it should actually have the name and number of the voucher, date of the voucher, particulars, debit and credit, and also the narration.